Here's something strange. You spend hours making a video. The information inside it is genuinely useful, and still, people leave after a minute, so you start blaming yourself. Maybe my editing isn't good enough. Or maybe I need a better microphone. But what if? None of that is the real problem. Here's something most creators never realize. People don't watch videos because they're valuable. They watch them because they're curious. Think about the last video you clicked on YouTube. Did you click because you wanted information, or because something made you need to know what happens next? That's the difference. Most new creators start like this. Today I'm going to explain 5 ways to grow your YouTube channel. There's nothing wrong with that sentence. It's just predictable. Your brain already knows what's coming, so it stops paying attention. Now compare it to this. There's one mistake that secretly tells YouTube your videos aren't worth recommending. Same topic, completely different feeling. One gives information, the other creates curiosity. And curiosity is what keeps people watching. Here's the mistake most creators make. They try to answer every question as fast as possible. The best creators do the opposite. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Imagine a video that opens with this. This is the exact moment I almost quit YouTube. That's one answer. But right away, a new question appears. What happened next? The creator explains it. But inside that explanation, another question shows up, and another. That's why you keep watching. Not because the video is more valuable, because your brain wants closure, and it never quite gets it until the end. So if your videos feel boring, don't immediately change your editing. Don't buy a new camera. Ask yourself something much more important. Am I giving people information, or am I giving them a reason to stay? Because on YouTube, being useful isn't enough. You also have to be impossible to leave. And here's the trap that comes right after you learn this. Once you understand curiosity, most creators do the worst possible thing with it. They start copying the creators who use it best. Next video, I'll show you why that almost guarantees you'll stay small.